Good morning. It's very early. I am going to a beach cleanup, but oh my god. Oh my god, I'm screwed. We're going to some island in Incheon and we're gonna do beach cleanup. Oh god, it's cold. Whew. This is gonna be one memorable. I'm meeting fellow volunteers at the near Seoul station. What am I doing? I'm at Seoul station. Okay. Looks like there will be like about 40 people volunteering today. I was there before, a year ago. At the time, there were like about 100 people.
우리나라 군인 모양 맞냐? 여기 총알 바꾼 거 아니야? 이거 우리나라 군인 모자 맞냐고. 나 모르지. 별걸 다 본다고. 이게 뭐야? Today was a little small, so it'll be more challenging, I guess. I don't know what kind of condition we're going to be finding ourselves in. So I need to find the bus. I got here a little early. Feels good to wake up early in the morning. Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So this is the bus. All right, I'm gonna go inside. It's gonna be challenging, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna feel so good about what I've done today. I mean, what I'm gonna do is not going to make any difference on the surface, but doing something like this and spreading the goodwill, that's gonna help in the long run, I think. So oh my god! Actually not that bad. Hello, we're in Uido, yeah, some island in Incheon, and we're gonna do a beach cleanup, but I may make snow angel. Yeah. 도경님.
안녕하세요. 오랜만에 뵙네요. 네.
그러니까.
네. 날씨가 너무 추운데 이거 쓰레기 줄지 모르겠네.
우리가 쓰레기가 될 것 같아. 너무 추워. 바람 장난 아니다.
It just stopped being windy. My hair was going like this just a second ago.
Are you okay? You're not that.
No! I'm excited. I'm trying hard to contain my excitement.
Maybe colder than you expected. If ever you feel really bad and you're like, I don't want to go inside, you can stay in the bus maybe for if ever you feel bad. Really don't feel bad about coming back and like staying. It's totally okay. Important first is safety and be healthy.
다 얼었고 저기 내가 못 서 있어. 바람이 불어갖고
진짜? 오케이.
저기 너무 얼어 있어갖고요.
Let's follow
많이
it.
미끄러울 것 같고 아직 눈이 많이 쌓여 있어요.
어떻게 해요 그러면?
일단 플랜 B로 원래 가던 데로 가고요. 제가 좀 이동할 때 한번 와보셨잖아요. 그 바위를 좀 내려가야 되는데 그게 좀 위험해서 좀 돌아갈 생각이긴 해요. 최대한 안전하게 천천히 가는 걸로.
오늘 노경님 주최로 해서 같이 워밍업 해볼게요.
자, 무릎 돌리기부터 할게요. 자, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 짧게. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯.
Oh my god, this is gonna be interesting. I guess the condition is worse than we all expected, but I mean, what else can we see? Like a frozen sea and frozen beach, right? It's gonna be windy. Ah! I'm going insane.
Already? 독일 비건 패딩을 입은 흥미. 시셰퍼드 활동가 흥미입니다. 이렇게 만났는데 말씀하시더라고요.
형 오늘 왜 왔어요? 괜찮아요?
해변 청소하러 왔는데
나 때문에.
후회하고 있는 중.
그러니까 아니 진짜 형 항상 우리 볼런티어 코리아 같이 많이 와줘서 너무 고마운데 시셰퍼드하고 같이 합창기를 가야 되는 건가? 합창이겠지? 함께 해서 쓰레기 주우러 왔는데 날씨가 이래서 지금 그냥 어떤 거에 대해서 좀 고민하고 그래도 자연 느끼고 조금이라도 정화 활동하고 하는 걸로 좀 의미가 들고 갈까 하는데 내가 이거 해서 벌 받겠지 형? 사람들한테 이거 생겼다고.
그 단톡방에서 아파서 못 온다는 사람들 지금 부러워하기 시작했어. 해변 청소 처음이세요?
아니요, 저는 저 두 번째.
첫 번째는 여름에 하셨어요? 그러면?
예, 여름에 했습니다. 6월 달인가?
우리가 안 오면 또 누가 오겠습니까?
아, 그렇죠.
The ice thing that also light.
Wow. Look at that. 바다네 진짜. 뭐예요?
지금 알겠다.
So it's a type of dolphin named.
상갱이.
근데 사람이 아니면 이 구멍이 안 나요.
이 밭처럼 그냥 쓰레기.
지금 죽은
돌핀?
돌고래.
어떻게 여기까지 왔지? 오케이. So, due to the weather condition, when I go into the beach, we used to go to, we'll go to a nearby beach, and even going there, as you can see, it's a little tough. A lot of these pebbles and rocks and, oh shit, not easy, not easy. But you know what? It's all worth it. We're gonna make a difference. Yes. Oh, but my God, it is. It's bad. Ooh. Oh. It's nice. Ooh, there's a waterfall here.
The trash that we put in the bean bags, you put them on the right side where the other green bags are, and the other big trash, you put them on the left side. Okay, so we can start sorting the bags. The one that's too dirty, put them on one side back here.
와.
We came here, we picked up some trash, but we didn't clean everything right, and at the next city there's more trash, so this can never be the solution. So it's also a very important moment to come together, share, create some contact, and understand like what's the big crisis happening now with the sea.
그리고
Yes.
네, 우리 지구를 가장 빠르게 지키는 방법은
Please post it, spread the word, because I think it's very important to talk about all these issues, and that's maybe the fastest way that we can get to a cleaner planet. Thank you. And thank you, Sichepherd, in terms of organizing this.
We're walking back to the bus. It's sunny again. It's so nice here, but it's so cold. I lost my selfie stick while I'm picking up trash. Well, you know. So I came here to pick up trash and I left the trash. How you doing?
Good. I'm happy.
You are?
So much fun. And the nature's beautiful. The weather was funny, but the rest was cool.
Yeah.
People are great. And what we're doing is fun.